Welcome everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Keyword Explorer provided by Tubebuddy for YouTube. Okay, so if you have installed Tubebuddy, then you'll see this red button, and if you press the red button, you'll see these options, and down here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, seventh item here is the Keyword Explorer. If you go here, click here, now you will see this thing here, and you have this kind of search bar, and if you want to look for any keyword for your upcoming YouTube video, you can look at, you can search here. So let's search for a keyword. Let's say how to draw a dog. Okay, and click this explore button, and this will show kind of report here. So first of all, first one is overall score, and overall score is 4. Okay, 4 means you're not recommended to use this keyword if you are thinking of making a new video. So this is unweighted. If you click weighted, it says this is a pro license feature. So I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. Okay. So the weighted thing is it's only available on paid version, so you can use this unweighted report if you're using free version. So this shows that this keyword is not a good choice if you are thinking of making a new video for your YouTube channel. So here are things which shows that this keyword is not good. So first of all, search volume. So search volume, by search volume, it's a good keyword because it has a good search volume. It says excellent, and it's on the green area. So what it means is that people are looking for this keyword a lot. So this keyword is searched a lot. So that's a good thing. But here, the second thing here, competition. So based on competition, the score is 4 because it means that there's a huge competition out there. Okay. So it says general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. So people are looking for this keyword, but still there are lots of videos competing for this keyword. And you can see the third thing here, optimization strength. It's excellent. It means that the top ranking videos are doing great in this keyword. Okay, but that also means that you have less chances because other videos are doing good, but the keyword has been searched a lot and searched for a lot of times, and the thing here, you can see the number of videos and search results. So this means that when people search for this keyword, people are shown 71.2 million videos. Okay, so that's a huge number of videos. So you have to compare with 71 million videos. Okay, that's why it's poor. The keyword is poor. And you can see a number of monthly searches. It's 1.74 million. That means in terms of search volume, it's a good keyword. People are looking for this keyword. People are searching for this keyword. 1 million, more than 1.7 million people are searching for this keyword on a monthly basis. But at the same time, the search result shows that there are more than 71 million videos on competition. Okay, so you need to compete with other 71 million videos, and that means that you have less chance of getting noticed. So the other thing here is you can see YouTube, Google, video topics, comment tags. So let's talk about just YouTube here, okay? So it just shows that in 30 days there are like the number, this is the number of searches, okay? Every day it's like 74, 64, 84. So in average like 50 to 60 times a day people look for this keyword. Okay? And if you see on like for 12 months, you can see that okay, every month let's see, February to, so it's kind of weekly something, but still you can see that, you know, it's on average like 70 to 80 or sometimes 50 to 60 times people are looking for this keyword. So the keyword based on search volume is good, but based on competition, you have less chance of getting noticed. So it shows related searches here. It means maybe you can look for other keywords, related keywords like how to draw a dog easy for kids. Okay, how to draw a dog easy. So you can go on searching for related keywords until you see the keyword which has low competition. Like if you go to this how to draw a dog easy for kids, it's kind of related to this keyword. And if you click on the keyword here, you can see that it's a good keyword. Overall score is good. Okay, because the search volume is fair and competition is not so high. It's kind of in between, and optimization strength is good, excellent. A number of videos in search result. Now you can see from like 71 million videos, now it's 15. So it's still not that good, but way better than before. The keyword which was how to draw a dog, and monthly searches is 1,000. Okay, monthly 1,000. So based on search volume, it's not that good, but it has low competition, so there are chances that your video may get noticed. Okay, so in this way you can search for videos, let's say how to draw a dog with ink, maybe. Let's say if you search for this keyword, let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see this is excellent. This means you can go for this keyword. make a new video on how to draw a dog with ink. Search volume is great, competition is good enough, not so high. Optimization strength is excellent, and number of videos in search result is 7 million. So from 71 to 15 now it's 7 million. Okay, and number of monthly searches, it doesn't. Okay, it's not. So it doesn't have such sufficient data yet. But by here you can, by looking at this thing, you can see it's 100 upon 100 means excellent. You can go for this keyword. And again, it shows the related searches. You can look for these keywords too. For example, it says how to draw a dog with markers. You click here, it will show it's also excellent. And so this in this way you can see, you can look for a keyword on a Tubebuddy and find out if it's a good idea to target that keyword in your next video or not. So in that way you can be prepared, and you can make a video that will blow up. I'm not actually like blow up, but which can do a lot better than just uploading video without researching or doing any research about the keyword. Okay, so I think you've got the idea about using Keyword Explorer, which you get with Tubebuddy, free of cost. You can upgrade anytime, but this feature is free, so you can just download or install Tubebuddy on your YouTube channel and start exploring the keyword. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.